How to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Chrome and search Intel Bluetooth driver for Windows 11. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Windows 10 and Windows 11 version. Then click on package versions. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on download. Click on I accept the terms and condition. You can also click download manually if it does not start, or it will automatically start on top. After that, simply open and install it and you're good to go. This is how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.